We're going to see a speed, distance and time based on train. Yeah, and the question is this: an express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of an express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains is the question asked. Right? Now, what do we have to find in this sum? The average speed of the two trains. There are two types of trains here. One is the passenger train, another is the express train. Okay, and we have to find their speeds. Do we know the speeds of the two trains? The answer is no, we don't know the speeds of the trains. So one of them has to be taken as x. Either we have to take the passenger train speed as x or express train speed as x. Now who is to be taken as x? Now when we read the problem, it is given that the average speed of an express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train. Can you see the speeds of the two trains being compared here? And we all know that in comparison statement, whichever comes later is taken as x. Average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train. So which train comes later? Passenger train. So let the speed of the passenger train be x kilometers per hour. That's how we start the sum, right? Speed of the passenger train is x kilometers per hour, and the passenger train, how much distance it traveled? 132 kilometers between two stations. Which one? Mysore and Bangalore. Okay, suppose these are the two stations, Mysore and Bangalore, and the distance between these two stations is how much? 132 kilometers, and there is a passenger train. It is going to travel with a speed of x kilometers per hour from Mysore to Bangalore. So what is the distance covered by the train? 132 kilometers. Right? Now, the next we are going to consider one express train. Earlier we considered passenger train, now we are going to consider one express train running between the same two stations, Mysore and Bangalore. Right? It is said that the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than that of the passenger train. So if the speed of the passenger train is x kilometers per hour, the speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more, means it will be x plus 11 kilometers per hour. Right? The journey is the same two stations, the distance between the two stations is 132 kilometers only, but now it is an express train and it will travel with the speed of x plus 11 kilometers per hour. Right? Now, this is the situation given. Let us tabulate the data. Right? So, first passenger train and then express train, speed, right, distance and time. Time is nothing but distance upon speed. Right? Speed of the passenger train, x kilometers per hour. Distance covered by the express train 132 kilometers. So time is nothing but distance upon speed, 132 upon x hours. Similarly, express train, speed is x plus 11 kilometers per hour. Distance is 132 kilometers. So time is 132 upon x plus 11 hours. Right? So whatever is given in the sum, we have tabulated it. Now let us try to form the equation. In the first line it is said, an express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometers. Express train takes 1 hour less. For example, the time taken by passenger train is 10 hours. The express train will take 1 hour less, means it will take how many hours? You know, 10 minus 1, 9 hours. Or can we see 10 minus 9 is equals to 1? Or can I say the time taken by passenger train minus the time taken by express train is equal to 1 hour. The difference between the two times is 1 hour, isn't it? So this is our equation. We know the time taken by the passenger train. We know the time taken by the express train. The difference between the two times is 1 hour, isn't it? So let us try to form the equation. According to the condition, the time taken by passenger train, how much is it? 132 upon x minus time taken by the express train, how much it is? 132 upon x plus 11 is equals to 1. Okay, let us cross multiply, but before cross multiplying, 132 can be taken common out of the bracket. So 132 goes out common. What stays inside the bracket is 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 11 is equals to 1. Let us cross multiply, take the LCM, 132 into, or we can take 132 to the right side, x plus 11 into 1 is x plus 11 minus x into 1 is x upon x into x plus 11 is equals to 1 upon 132, right? So x and x gets cancelled in the numerator. What remains is 11 upon x square plus 11x is equals to 1 upon 132. Now again 132 will be cross multiplied. So we get 11 into 132 is equal to x square plus 11x. So 1452 is equal to x square plus 11x. Let us write it like a proper quadratic equation. X square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Now 3 terms are there. So let us try to do it by factorization, splitting the middle term. 1452 ones are 1452, right? Let us do the prime factorization of 1452, right? 1452 is an even number. We can divide it by 2. 2 726 are, again with 2, 2 363s are, now with 3 121s are, 11 11s are, and 11 1s are, right? Now you know how to group the factors here. Look at the last sign. Last sign is minus. Minus means subtracting the factors. We have to find out two factors of 1452 in such a way that subtracting the factors we get the middle number which is 11, right? Now the biggest number is 11, right? Now how do we group? First we'll keep 11 separate and multiply all the others. Then we'll take 1 combination. 11 with 1 2, then 11 with 2 2s and so on, right? In this sum the combination that works is 11 and 2 2s are 4, 11 4s are is 44, right? And multiplying the remaining numbers, 3 11s are 33. 44 and 33, when you subtract, you will get that 11 as required. So what are the factors of this 1452? The factors of 1452 are 44 and 33 with the sign. Now what will be the sign? Since the last sign is minus, the middle sign is given to the bigger factor and opposite sign to the smaller factor. The middle sign is plus, that goes to the bigger factor and opposite sign to the smaller factor. So let us split that 11x and write it as plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Let us take common. X goes common out of the first two. What stays inside is x plus 44. Minus 33 goes common out of the next two. X plus 44 is equal to 0. X plus 44 common throughout into x minus 33 is equal to 0. So x plus 44 is equal to 0 or x minus 33 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 44 or x is equal to 33. Then speed cannot be negative, so x cannot be equal to minus 44, hence x is equals to 33. But what is x? Speed of the passenger train. Let us find the speed of the express train also, which will be x plus 11, which will be 33 plus 11 is equal to 44. Then we write the final answer. The speed of the passenger train is 33 kilometers per hour and speed of the express train is 44 kilometers per hour. That completes this sum. Thank you.